Hi friends, welcome to my channel Spytech Pro. In this video I will show you how to download photos and videos from Instagram on your Android. So let's go to our tutorial. First of all, we go to Play Store. We have to install an app. Search in the search box. First, save from Instagram. This is the apps. This is the app's logo. See, 10 million plus downloads. Install these apps. I have already downloaded it. Now open. After open the apps, we have to turn on first save service button and log in with your Instagram account from open Instagram.
Everything you know is in your mind.
I log in with my account and now choose the photos you want to save in your gallery. Yes. Hit this photo we will download. For download the photo, click three dots on upper right corner in the photos. Copy link. The photos automatically saved to your phone gallery. Now save the videos as same process. Find my videos. This is the videos I want to download.
Are you all my personal dreams?
Click three dots on the right upper corner on the video and copy link. The videos automatically saved to our phone gallery. Now let's check our phone gallery. Yes friends, it creates a folder named first save automatically and save the photos and videos. This is this video. We download it and this is the photos we download it. Thank you for watching my video. Please give me a like in this video and subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed.